What's up everyone? It's me, your Sudi John Valencia, and welcome back to True Asia Diaries. Mega love shout out mga ka-Jamiel. We are back for a reaction video for Jamiel Sings The Icons, and this is for the solo performance of JM. We recently reacted to Mariel's solo performance. Grabe, sobrang galing at nakaka-proud ang ating Mariel. And of course, we received a request na i-check din natin ang solo performance ni JM, and this is, I think, for Air Supply medley. Oh my God, Air Supply, one of my favorite. It's syempre familiar tayo sa song, so I would definitely not miss this one. But before we proceed, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Oh my God. Ay, ang pogi. Bagay kay JM yung buhok niya. Oh my God. Oh, I can't live. Grabe. Siren vocal agad. Whoa. Whoa. What? Oh my God. Guys, intro pa lang yan ah. Binigyan pa lang tayo ni JM ng kanyang starting birit na matining na vocals. Tapos yung switching, grabe, love it. Balikan natin yung konting switching, guys, before the last part. Grabe. Oh. Love that head tone. Sustain, no? Oh my gosh! Goosebumps. Pogi! Grabe yung control ng vocal. Ano pa lang yun, guys, ah? Very controlled, but the switching, ang dami nang nangyayari agad in his vocal. The runs and pag-switch, sobrang galing. And the emotion. Grabe yung switching, so smooth. Smooth transition. Grabe yung head tone. Whoa, this natural vocal. Wow! Oh my God, guys, I'm so sorry. I need to stop from there. Grabe yung ang smooth ng transition from one note to another. Tas biglang, bubuga from head tone to normal vocal, tas birit. Wow. Very clever way of singing. Whoa. Grabe, listen to that crowd. Grabing vocal flair. Whoa! Sustained! I love it! And yung emotion, no? Grabe. Bigyan tayo ng soft tone sa dulo. Oh my God! Oh, making love out of nothing at all. Oh my God, sobrang hirap ng kanta na to, guys. Kinakanta ko yun sa video. Okay. Way. Ganda ng low tone. Sabay ng switching talaga yung transition. Escalation of vocal. Oh my God. Etong kanta na Making Love Out of Nothing at all, sobrang hirap nito, guys. Because yung tono nito from low tone, escalated, nag-escalate siya to a higher tone. At syempre, maning-mani lang kay JM. Nakita nyo naman talaga. Binigyan pa tayo ng head tone doon. Whoa! Love that arrangement. Sakit daw, no? Ramdam. Wow! Grabe yung emotion. Alam mo yung, tulad na sinabi nung nagbe-video, ang sakit. Grabe ang sakit. Which is so true. The goosebumps is there. Let's go back to that part. Ganda ng head. Wow! As biglang bubuga. Eh, oh my God! Whoa! Whoa, love that styling. Whoa. Love that vocal flair. My gosh. Grabe. Oh my God. Ang hirap nun. Grabe. Pero simpleng-simple lang, no? Hindi man lang siya nagsushow na nahihirapan siya. Oh! Oh my gosh! Wow! That vocal spectacle, vocal flair, high notes, sabihin niyo na kung anong gusto niyo, kung anumang note ang naabot ni JM doon. Narinig niyo yung umpisa from, oh, oh my God, that is so good. Wow, let's go back to that. Ulitin natin yun. We need to experience it again. From low to, whoa, oh my gosh. My gosh. Goosebumps, guys. Grabe ka, JM, sabi nila. Whoa. Hey! Oh my gosh! That is so good! What an amazing solo performance by JM. There you have it, guys. That is JM De La Serna for the Air Supply medley sa kanilang Jamil Sings The Icons concert. Oh my God, hindi nga ako nagkamali. Dahil nasa comment yun naman yan na magugulat tayo sa solo performance na ito. Grabe! Alam niyo, the vocal technique of JM at talaga naman yung pagkanta niya, sobrang alam niyo yung aral na aral. Tapos, at the same time, it's controlled, the switching, the placement, but the feeling. Alam mo yung masakit, nararamdaman, the emotion is there. May puso pa din kahit na sobrang controlled yung technique. Grabe. And from the low tone to the high notes, wow. Hands up, hands down, slow clap for JM at of course for Mariel as well. They're both so good and they deserve all the love and support ng mga ka-JML natin. I hope I can see them perform live. Sana pumunta sila na Malaysia, or if I be back to Philippines, sana meron sila ulit concert so I can watch it live kasi iba talaga ang experience ng live. So mga nakanood dyan ng live, i-comment nyo anong experience nyo kasi narinig nyo nga yung nagre-record, grabe. Grabe ka, JM! Ganon talaga. Kasi for sure, it will be the same reaction as everybody else. So, what can you say about this performance, guys? You can comment down below. And of course, if you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.